Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kanchan. In today's video, we are going to discuss about what is research design. So let's start. So in this slide, we can see the definition and the characteristics and types of research design. So we will discuss this. Research design is the framework of research methods and techniques chosen by a researcher. The design allows researchers to work on the research methods that are suitable for the subject matter and set up their studies up for success. The design of the research topic explain the type of research like experimental, survey, correlational, semi experimental review, and also its subtypes like experimental design, research problem, descriptive case study, etc. So according to APA, American Psychological Association Dictionary of Psychology, research design is a strategic plan of the procedures to be followed during a study in order to reach valid conclusions, with particular consideration given to participant selection and assignment to conditions, data collection and data analysis. Research designs may take a variety of forms, including not only experiments but also quasi experiments or quasi experimental research, observational studies, longitudinal designs, surveys, focus groups, and other non experimental methods. So what are the types of the research method? So one of the type is qualitative research design, which determines relationship between collected data and observations based on mathematical calculations. Theories related to a naturally existing phenomena can be proved or disproved using statistical methods. Researchers rely on qualitative research design methods that conclude why a particular theory exists along with what respondents have to say about it. So the next is quantitative research design. Quantitative research is defined as a systematic investigation of phenomena by gathering quantifiable data and performing statistical, mathematical, or computational techniques. Quantitative research collects information from existing and potential customer using sampling methods and sending out existing and potential and sending out online surveys, online polls, questionnaires, etc. The results of which can be depicted in the form of numericals. After careful understanding of these numbers to predict the future of a product or service and make changes accordingly. So there are some subtypes of the research design. Descriptive research design. In a descriptive design, a researcher is interested in describing the situation or case under their research study. It is theory-based design method which is created gathering, analyzing, and presenting collected data. This allows a researcher to provide insight into the way and how the researcher wants to collect it. Descriptive design helps other better understand the need for the research. Experimental research design. Experimental research design establish a relationship between the cause and the effect of a situation. It is a causal design where one observer the impact caused by the independent variable on the dependent variable. For example, one monitors the influence of an independent variable such as the price on a dependent variable such as customer satisfaction or brand loyalty. It is a highly practical research design method as it contributes to solving a problem at hand. The independent variable are manipulated to monitor the change it has on the dependent variable. It is often used in social sciences to observe human behavior by analyzing two groups. Correlational research design. Correlational research is a non-experimental research design technique that helps researchers establish a relationship between two closely connected variables. This type of research requires two different groups. There is no assumption while evaluating a relationship between two different variables. And statistical analysis technique calculated the relationship between them. A correlation coefficient determines the correlation between two variables whose values range between -1 and +1. If the correlation coefficient is towards +1, it indicates a positive relationship between the variables, and -1 means a negative relationship between the two variables. Diagnostic research design. In diagnostic design, the researcher is looking to evaluate the underlying cause of a specific topic or phenomena. This method helps one learn more about the factors that create troublesome situations. This design has three parts of the research: inspection of the issues, diagnosis of the issues, and solution of the issues. Explanatory research design. Explanatory design uses a researcher's ideas and thoughts on a subject to further explore their theories. The researcher explains unexplored aspects of a subject and details about what, how, and why of research questions. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Namaskar.